What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to get price adjustments on Temu mobile app. So let's get going. Before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you can stay alerted whenever we post another video. So guys, how to get price adjustments. So let's say you want to buy something, let's say this new fashion men's bag. So this is time limited bonus. Okay, so let's say you ordered this bag, so you want to get price adjusted. So for any specific reason you want the adjustment, so we're gonna go to official Temu web page to see the steps. So as you can see, how to get price adjustments on Temu step by step. So step one is go to Temu profile and open me or you, whatever you see. So you can find it on your phone screen lower side. You can locate it using the image displayed below, as you can see you over here. So let's go to the app. So you option downwards in the bottom section of your screen. So go to your orders option in your profile. It will show you all of the recently purchased. Scroll the screen and find the purchase you made within the past 30 days. Temu only offers price adjustments to products on sale within the 30-day timeline. So step 3 is check each product you have purchased in the last 30 days individually to find the products eligible for a price adjustment refund. The eligible products will show you an additional option to refund, as you can see over here in the circle area. So step 4 is select the appropriate product and click on the left corner's 3 dots on the item. If it's eligible, the request a price adjustment button would be there. Hit it and the seller will receive the request and take it further. Notice that the price adjustment request will not affect the delivery charges or any other fee for your product. You can request it at any time before or after delivery of your parcel without experiencing and expecting any discounts on the delivery target. So basically guys, those are the steps. So there are 4 steps. So hopefully this video was helpful to you guys. As always, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Goodbye.